First are key considerations for choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Selecting the right cryptocurrency exchange, especially for Iranian users due to sanctions and restrictions, can be challenging. Here are some key points to consider when choosing a suitable exchange. 1. Security. Proven track record and strong security measures. No history of hacks or security issues. 2. Reputation. Positive reputation and proven track record. Valid regulatory licenses. 3. Supported cryptocurrencies. Supports the cryptocurrencies you intend to trade. 4. Fees. Competitive and transparent fees. 5. Payment methods. Supports local payment methods. 6. Trading features. Suitable for active traders if applicable. 7. User friendliness. Simple user interface and comprehensive guides. 8. Customer support. 24/7 customer support and prompt responses. 9. Regulations. Compliance with local regulations. 10. Research and due diligence. Research various sources and compare exchanges. Additional tips. No perfect exchange exists. Choose an exchange based on your needs and preferences. Consider licenses and reputation of Iranian exchanges, if applicable. Research and understand risks before investing. By considering these points, you can make an informed decision and choose the right exchange for you.